Microwave cooking can now produce better results with the Cuisinart Deluxe Microwave, offering a new variety of features and functions, such as sensor cook and inverter technology. The sensor cook feature monitors your food as it cooks, automatically adjusting the time and power level for perfectly cooked foods. An innovative power delivery system uses inverter technology to maintain a consistent power level, which keeps operation quiet and ensures food cooks evenly and quickly. Additionally, power does not cycle on and off like other microwaves, ensuring superior cooking results. Prepare your favorite foods with one of our sensor cooking functions, such as veggie, potato, pizza, or meat, fish, and poultry for delicious dishes. Choose an auto-cook function to prepare warm beverages, melt hot butter to top your popcorn, and even prepare specialty rice and grains, and reheat it all later. You can also easily defrost foods by time or weight and activate the memory function to save your favorite cooking options for future use. The machine features a modern design with stainless steel accents, a sleek touchpad control panel, gray metal interior, and dark tinted glass window. With 1,000 watts of energy and 11 power levels, this state-of-the-art Cuisinart Deluxe Microwave Oven brings a new level of versatility and performance to the kitchen.
Still having trouble choosing between a steam oven or a convection oven? F-Bloomline is the best of both worlds. A traditional steam oven can heat up your food quickly and keep it moist, but your food may come out soggy. On the other hand, a convection oven may produce a crispy, evenly browned result, but can leave your food dry and hard to swallow. F-Bloomline perfectly combines steam and convection functions to give you shorter cooking times and moist, juicy food with a crispy exterior. So what makes F-Bloomline JU3200 so special? It's your perfect 10-in-1 kitchen solution. Steam, high-temperature steam, grill, convection, combi, preheat, defrost, fermentation, sterilize, and descale functions, all in one convenient package. The generous interior space measures 1.14 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 3.5-pound chicken, a 10-inch pizza, an 8-inch chiffon cake, 18 egg tarts, 16 chicken wings, and even a large tomahawk cut of steak. Instead of the 80 to 120 minutes max steam time of other brands, cooking could be extended to approximately 180 minutes with a full reservoir of F-Bloomline, thanks to its advanced Air Plus technology. This feature also guarantees less steam would be expelled from the oven during cooking, which provides better protection for your kitchen cabinets. A 304 stainless steel interior, anti-scald 3-layer glass door with aluminum handle, and a removable upper stainless steel heating element make this oven safe and durable. Cooking a gorgeous meal for your whole family with F-Bloomline steam convection oven is simple and easy. Now, enjoy moist, crispy, and most important, healthy food with the F-Bloomline steam convection.
Push just one button for ideal results. Panasonic's The Genius sensor monitors steam levels and adjusts cooking time automatically to achieve ideal results every time. Reheating for the 21st century from Panasonic. Combination cooking. Panasonic's inverter ovens combine microwave and convection heating to make tastier food quicker. With Panasonic's new combination ovens, you simply choose from 5 preset modes that perfectly match each type of food. Say goodbye to undercooking and overcooking. Foods taste better and they're ready quicker too. Until now, microwave ovens have been bulkier than they need to be. A whole chicken or a 36cm wide dish will fit into your Panasonic oven. Panasonic has moved the fan from the rear of the oven to the top, so large capacity ovens have a much smaller footprint and can fit anywhere. With Panasonic, you can now do more cooking in less space. Compact ovens for the 21st century from Panasonic. Auto menus. Panasonic ovens now come with advanced auto menu options to make cooking more convenient. With our special rebake menu, even bread that's been in the cupboard for a few days will taste fresh baked. We all want our children to eat healthily. The Panasonic Junior Auto menu can help. We all love French fries, but often they are oily. With Panasonic's Junior Auto menu, you can make delicious fries with just a tiny fraction of the oil, healthier for the whole family. For tastier, healthier food, fast, choose Panasonic's advanced auto menu options. Family cooking for the 21st century from Panasonic.